shit they can, you know? And they store it, and then I'm sick for 2 weeks. I'm like, thank you, babes. It's so fun.
The doctor said no to take it right now. It's like, but I'm gonna go back and be like, because I get it.
So he said no to you.
He said no at first.
He said no because there's more like,
Yeah, I just think it would have, for me, like, it didn't make sense or something. I think it's probably sad. But, something like,
so it's on me.
What's the reason, Smarty?
I don't know, but it's for sure not that.
So tell me what? Where is the Paris? I think it's the first one in Paris. Come. You see, Vueling and Iberia. Vueling and Iberia both together.
So
that's how lucky you're gonna get.
how did you do it with the car? Are we gonna rent it here or the airport?
I already rented.
Yeah, but where would we
Yeah,
get it?
airport.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay, and
Straight.
then we're driving with the car
Yeah.
to the hotel.
We will go eat something first.
And how long is the drive?
20 minutes. It's pretty close.
Is this the Georgina? You know, I must say, this form of filming is the softest film you do, you know? Because you can just hold it like this and it doesn't, it's not like putting the camera into your face. So, yeah, exactly. It's really nice.
That's why.
I think this is okay.
Flora, hai portato poche valigie come sempre.
This is the queue for the cabs. Do you see? It's crazy.
Sí, o sea,
Yeah.